welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will make a paper clock. I'm Sarthak Jangir. Let's start with. We need two circles and these little numbers and big hand and short hand and this needle and glue too. Let's start. You can attach this nail like this. Now we can put a small and big handle. You can put all two handles like this. Now let's take these numbers and put it on this with some glue. You will stitch this like this. That way it will not escape this. Now let's put the numbers. इस सर्कल को इससे अटैच करना है विद ग्लू. Like this. Now you put the numbers. My mom wrote all these numbers. Now I will find the numbers and put their place. First I pick the number and match this to the number here. Put the 4 like this. This is 9. This is 8. 7. This is 6. This is 5. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. You can put all the numbers like this. Write the minutes number inside the circle. Let's do it. You can write the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60. Now I complete my paper clock. In the next coming video, we will tell the time. We will learn telling the time. If you like this video, smash the like button and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.